Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get text blocks in Minecraft. Displaying custom messages is a fantastic way to guide players, provide instructions, or add flavor to your world. We will explore the essential tools and commands needed to make text appear in your game. This guide will help you master the art of in-game communication, making your Minecraft experience more engaging and informative for everyone involved. To begin, you will need a command block. You can easily get one by typing a specific command into your chat, /give_it_s_minecraft, command block. Once you have this powerful item, place it down in your world. Right-clicking the block opens its interface, allowing you to input commands. This block is the foundation for displaying dynamic text messages to players in your game. With your command block ready, you can now display text. For a simple public message, use the say command like /say hello everyone. To send a private message to a specific player, use /tell it p welcome. For a more impactful, full-screen message, the title command is perfect. For example, /title at a title text, quest start, will show a large title to all players. For truly advanced text, you will use JSON formatting with commands like tellraw. This allows for incredible customization, including colors, bold text, and even clickable links. For instance, /tellraw at a text, click me, color, gold, click event, action, run command, value, /say you clicked, creates interactive text. Experiment with different JSON properties to make your messages stand out and engage players in unique ways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.